Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? Today I'm coming to you with the Miniverse Make It Mini lifestyle. This is series one. And I ask you guys to please subscribe YouTube, please subscribe and please follow my family on Acropolis as well. I ask you guys to subscribe and follow. Thank you if you see this video. And I hope your day has been blessed and God bless your day like it blessed mine. And let's get started. We open up this one. Let me show you what we're making to those who are new. Let me show you the list. But this is what we're making right here. Let me show you this first. This is a birdhouse. A birdhouse. This is what we're making. But those who are new, let me show you the list. Please pause. Please pause the video if you want to see it slowly. This might be a little bit a long video just because I'm trying to take my time and make it. So just so you guys know, please please follow, subscribe, follow, like, and share this video. I'm almost at 500 on YouTube. So if you wonderful, amazing people on Clapper's follow me on YouTube, that would be well. And I will put the name down for you guys. Thank you so much. This might be a long video. I might not be doing a lot of talking because I have to concentrate on this. This is a birdhouse that we are making. Okay. I've never made a birdhouse. I am so completely new at this, you guys. So let's look at the back. Okay. I'm guessing this is the bird nest with the eggs in it. Hold on. What do you guys think so far? Okay. Trying to fix it so where you guys can see it. Okay. This. I gotta put these two little things on this, I'm guessing, the side. Okay, hold on. These two little things right here. Hold on, you guys. Okay. It's real hard to try to concentrate in the camera and like this at the same time. I want to make sure you guys can see. Oh, crap. Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay. And it says I'm supposed to put that over the bird's nest. Let me pause and come back because I have to do this part off camera. Guys, I was fighting really hard to get this thing right. I was really fighting hard to get this the way that it was, but so far this is what I got. I didn't want to bore you guys with me doing this because it took me a minute to get this on here. It took me a minute to get it like this, but so far that's what I got. I still feel like you can't see the bird in his face. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. I'm getting a little frustrated with this thing. Let's get this on, you guys. Let's get this on. I guess this is how it goes. Sorry. There goes part one. Let's get part two on. There we go. That's good. This thing, the bird ain't acting right inside his nest, but there we go so far. I have to put the screen through these two holes because this has like a little hook on it for the bird to hang out of. So that's a lot of frustration. Let me get that part started. I don't know. I should have done that first, but I don't know how I'm going to do that. So hold on, you guys. I'm frustrated. I done got it, guys. I finally freaking got it. After I fought hard with this thing, there's certain parts I had to do off camera because I would have been all day. I literally had to glue the bird nest in. I had to glue the bird on the thing because it would not stay. Yeah. It wouldn't stay, so I used this little Elmo's glue. Is purple. I used this to glue it in there because it wouldn't stay. It wouldn't stay. So yep, that's what I used. So let's hang this bird's nest on there and let's see. Here we go. You see? There we go, guys. We have our bird's nest. There we go. There we go. There go the eggs. And there go our mama bird. There we go. I fought with this. I fought with it. But this is what I'm supposed to be. The nest does not look like that, but it's fine. And here we go. Again, this is how it's supposed to look. That's amazing. I think it looks so beautiful. Look at that. Look at our mama bird hanging out. And there goes our little eggs in there. Thank you all so much for watching. I really enjoyed but frustrated made this little bird's nest. I'm so happy. I think it's so cute. I'm going to hang it on my wall, this whole entire thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And you all have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you for watching this video.